Unlocking the Secrets of Optimal Wellness, a Marine Veteran's Journey. Welcome to an inspiring journey towards optimal health and wellness, led by a Marine veteran who's conquered the toughest terrains. Discover how discipline, cultivated in the military, translates into an unwavering resolve to lead a healthy life, breaking down barriers you thought were insurmountable. Dig deep into the power of nutrition, learning how to fuel your body with food that not only tastes good but serves your body's needs perfectly. Embrace the value of movement, understanding why staying active is not just about physical fitness, but also about mental clarity, focus, and resilience. Explore the underestimated role of mental health, opening your eyes to the importance of emotional well-being in achieving a balanced, healthy life. Walk away with 5 surprising, easy-to-implement tips that will propel your journey towards optimal wellness. Tips that are tested, proven, and ready to make a difference. End this empowering journey with a renewed sense of purpose, armed with knowledge and determination to take charge of your health and wellness. Transform your life today.